Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarita. Today we will see how to wire wrap. A very easy method I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a cabochon. So there are many ways to wire wrap a cabochon, and this one is very simple and looks really nice. You can wear along with the chain. So let's see how to make it. So for this we need 7-inch. I'm taking brass wire of 18 gauge, and this is 3 by 2.5 mm cabochon and 26 gauge wire. So first I'm going to leave around 1.5 inch and wire wrap around 10 to 15 wraps. At least a half inch we need to make the wrap, and then cut and trim the wire ends. So make two similar ones. So we are going to pull it before we do the positioning will be in a different place. So bring them to the middle and then bend the wire. Make a U bend. So that has to be on the front side, the design. So bend the wire and bring from the other side. The brass wire 18 gauge one is good for working. This is neither too brittle nor too soft, so good for wire work. So now place it, and we are going to bring both the wires through the loop. Cross it over and bring it through the loop. Actually, you can see here I am not keeping the cabochon vertically. I am placing it horizontally, and if you want it vertically, then accordingly you can take the little bit more wire, but I think for this shape the horizontal works better. Can use flat nose plier for pulling the wire tightly. You can just work with your hands how you want to place the wire so that it does not come out of the wire. Make the positioning properly and then make the bail. So I am going to keep the bail simple as well. With one wire I am going to wrap it around the other wire, and with the other one we will just make a simple loop. Bring it around. So with the other one, using the round nose plier, make a loop. And you can cut off the excess wire if any. You can either bring it around or cut off the excess. So this is done. For making it more secure, I have a small hole in the cabochon, so I am going to use a small wire of 6 inch I am taking here. Bring it around that and through the loop on both the sides, bring through it and secure it tightly, like 2 or 3 wraps, and then cut off the excess wire so that our cabochon is secured inside the wire, so there is no chance that it can fall. So make the other one as well. So this is our final product. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like the pendant, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.